Guys, I'm continuing to test the new trading bot, and today I'll be running it with a 1-minute expiration. I think this will be really interesting because it allows for a lot of trades, and I'm genuinely curious to see how this session turns out. For the sake of a clean experiment, I won't be using any additional indicators. Let's get straight to it. We'll start with the Australian dollar versus the Swiss franc. I find it in the bot. It's down here on my list. By the way, the bot now supports even more currency pairs, so you can trade pretty much anything available on the market. I select the 1-minute time frame, choose the first AI model, and the bot immediately gives me a sell entry. I react right away. It's a solid setup. Ideally, you want to trade assets without consolidation, just like this one. Let's see how this trade closes, and then we'll move on to the next asset. Great start. The first trade closes in profit and with a pretty solid margin from the entry point. Of course, we're not stopping here. Let's move straight on and look for the next asset. Let's stop on the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. The setup here looks quite impulsive. The asset isn't in consolidation. You have a couple of ways to find a currency pair. Either scroll through the full list manually or use the search function, which I'll show you a bit later. For now, I'll just type it in. Expiration is set to 1 minute as usual with the first AI model selected. We wait briefly and the bot gives us a buy entry. I react immediately. This looks like a strong entry to me. We're seeing a small pullback to the downside, and it feels like that correction may already be over. There's a good chance price pushes higher from here. That's the idea, at least. Now let's see how it actually plays out. 1 minute of your time, friends. Right now, I want to show you the statistics from my trading profile on the Pocket Option platform. Over the past 7 days, I've made more than $50,000 in profit. You can also see the stats for yesterday and today, and I share all of these results in my Telegram channel. But I don't just share my results. I give you the chance to join me. You can become part of my team, copy my trades, learn how trading works, and start earning alongside me. Even if you have zero experience, you can start with social trading right on the platform. It takes just 2 clicks and my trades will be copied to your account automatically. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Subscribe and send me a message asking to join the team. I don't have a manager. I personally reply to everyone. And if you're truly interested in growing in this field, I'll help you every step of the way. Wishing you success and the drive to reach your goals. And now let's get back to the video. Nice. Another trade closes in profit. That's already a pretty solid result, but let's not jump to conclusions based on just 2 trades. We'll keep the session going and continue testing. This looks like a decent setup. Let's stop on the Tunisian dinar versus the US dollar. I find it through the search bar, set the expiration to 1 minute, everything as usual. By now, I think you've got the process down. The bot gives a buy entry, and I react immediately. When you're trading with a 1-minute expiration, fast execution is critical. You have to act on the signal right away, just like I did. Now let's see how this trade closes. As you can see, guys, I'm putting in minimal effort and getting maximum impact from trading. That's the 3rd trade in a row closing in profit, and that's an incredible result for a trading bot. I really like how it analyzes the market and executes decisions, and most importantly, it's growing my deposit. Let's open a few more trades. The Australian dollar to US dollar currency pair. Let's find it in the bot. Everything as usual. 1 minute expiration, AI model number one. The bot gives a sell signal. Perfect. I enter the market and can clearly see that price still has room to move lower. I strongly recommend that you explore the trading bot on your own and follow the exact same steps I'm showing you. If you haven't done that yet, the link is in the description. Unfortunately, this trade closes against me. But let's reassess the situation on the same currency pair. I decide to place a cover trade for $800. The bot generates another sell signal and I react to it immediately. Now, let's watch together how this trade closes and whether opening a cover position on the same setup was the right decision. This time, the market turns in my favor, and the cover trade works perfectly, delivering an excellent result. Honestly, I've never made money this easily. I could trade like this all day, but I've got things to do. So let's try to open one more trade. Let's go. Here's an interesting setup on the Nigerian naira versus the US dollar. Let's find it in the bot. I'll set a 1 minute expiration and select the first AI model. We wait briefly and the bot gives a sell entry. I react quickly and now we'll see how this trade closes. Guys, I've never put in so little effort and earned this much money, an incredible result. I'm really proud of this tool and I think it's going to keep delivering for me for many more days. Let's watch how this trade plays out. Incredible. The trade closes in profit and I can lock in the result. Guys, just look at how much money I've already earned. It's really exciting. I'll be withdrawing soon and I'll continue testing this bot. So for those who are interested, use these tools, make profits, and stay in a great mood. I wish you excellent results. See you soon. Bye for now.